What is an actual parameter and what is a formal parameter? In computer applications, when we call a method, the values that we pass to the method are called actual parameters. These actual parameters appear in the method calling statement. On the other hand, the variables that receive these values in the method definition are called formal parameters. Formal parameters are written inside the method header. In short, actual parameters send the values, and formal parameters receive the values.
See, this is the example of a actual parameter and formal parameter. This is your function define or function header. Formal parameters are used in method define or method header, and actual parameters are used in method call. This is your method call, this is your method define. Actual parameters may be variable or value, but formal parameters is only variable. This is a b not a value, but here we can take a value or variable. Which of the D parameters which receive the value from the called method are dash parameter? This is your actual and formal parameter. There are two types of parameter, actual and formal parameter. In function define formal parameter, in function call actual parameter. Parameter which receives the values from the method is known as formal parameter. This is your function define parameter, formal parameter, and actual parameter is parameter used in function call. Okay. So this is your formal parameter which receives the value from the actual parameter. Next one.